Today I want to see how many trends I already have in my closet for the upcoming summer 2024 season. So we're going based off of Elle magazine's 5 fashion trends you'll be living in all summer. I didn't want to do like too crazy of runway trends because I'm almost positive I wouldn't have that in my closet. Let's see what we got or what we can work with to like fudge into these trends. The first trend Elle magazine is deeming a trend is called thread count. So they're saying boho chic is back on the rise and nothing captures it quite like crochet. I do have a crochet piece in my closet. Let's style it. Like, when was this published? May 2024. No shade to this article, but like, hasn't crochet been trending since like 2020? I don't know, I guess it's a different type of crochet. I do have this piece from cotton in my wardrobe and I haven't styled it yet. I've worn it in videos, but style it. I guess it is like newer, but I didn't buy it for this trend. So like, that's what we're doing in this video, okay? I didn't buy anything for this video. I didn't know what was in that article until I started because I didn't want to be like, yeah, I have it, no, I don't have it, you know? Okay, let's do it. I feel like starting off the bat, this is such like an obvious way to style this piece. I think it could even be fun low-waisted. I wanted to play into the like boho chic. I almost just picked a wedgie on camera. I wanted to play into the boho chic, so we're adding like a boho-y skirt. This is from February. It's such a good staple. I feel like I'm gonna wear it so much this summer. So to go further boho, we can do cowboy boots, but I also think that like sneakers would be fun and a lot, like just very me. But let's go like with the cowboy boots first. And then just cause it feels so 70s, I feel like I need my Birkin basket and big 70s sunglasses. Beautiful. This doesn't feel like super, I don't know, I guess it does feel trendy, but it doesn't feel trendy in the way that it's like something new. Do we like the skirt low-waisted? Do we like it high-waisted? I like it low, but I think I'd wear it with sneakers, honestly, because I see all this hate for sambas, and I just don't want any of you to think it's coming from me and this side of fashion YouTube, coming from TikTok. Can we have a video where I don't hate on TikTok? I don't know. And my hair is in a low braid because that's how I've been wearing it recently. And I still like it with the basket, but you know what else would be cute? My little Versa Bags purse that I've been wearing all the time, just like as another fun pop of color. This is like matching the vibe of the shoe and the bag almost, because it's like a little bit more crazy and not boho. It's like a very boho outfit. Then I want to change the sunglasses. Sorry, we're doing one more way to style it. Don't these sunglasses go more with these accessories? Like, you can't explain it, but it does. This feels a bit more like New York and not, I guess the other one was more like LA and this is more New York. I live in Michigan, I don't go anywhere. Okay, what's the next trend, Elle magazine? Old sport, which I do think that this is a newer trend. So this is just like vintage, sporty, not to be confused with like bloke core, I think is what it's called. This is more like, they're saying like trendy as sneakers, but I think almost loafers or boat shoes, collars, polos, we can do this. I have like a big polo shirt, rugby shirt. So I do feel like this is the right vibe and the right look of it. And maybe you don't like this outfit, but I seriously love this style of outfit. It's something that I wear all the time. And I kind of like the mismatch of the rugby colors and then just my little gingham shorts. These are vintage Nike, that's why I put them on. Feels like the right look. I think sambas work, maybe even black sambas, or we could like really match the rugby shirt with these New Balances. And these feel super old school as well, and they're the same color scheme. I'm really telling you, like, a loafer works in this old sport category. Like, I think it works, but I want more of a chunky shoe just to balance out the like oversizedness of my rugby shirt. We could even do like a baseball cap if I don't have one that's like super aggressive. You guys want to cry? Oof, this will make me cry. Might not be the right vibe, but I feel like a baseball cap also works. This is my old merch. It says Ernie's World on it. This hat's gonna make me cry. That's why I don't wear it. It makes me cry. I mean, like, I just like my bangs so much that I don't want my hat on. My bangs look good today. But this feels like the vibe of the vibe we're going for today. What purse would I carry with it? Probably no purse. I feel like this is very like masculine, where I don't want to wear a purse with it. I just want it to be like a super casual. We're gonna utilize my pockets in this outfit. So here is Old Sports. I think it's really fun styling these trends too with things you already have, because it forces you to really make them your own style. Maybe I don't look like the inspo photos they have on the article, but this outfit just feels so me. Pajama party. They said think oversized shirting, relaxed pants, elevated boxer shorts in crisp classic stripe. I've been wearing PJs as clothes since probably around 2020. I literally would wear like matching men's PJ pant or sets that I would thrift. I don't have those anymore. Just another reason you shouldn't get rid of your clothes. I'm always preaching that. Surprisingly, for me wearing those kind of things so much, this is all I have. Spelt hem striped pants. Let's put them on. Transition. I'm not doing it. I can't. I don't even know how. Did I do it? These are wrinkly. Let's see what we can do. Okay. My thing about these pants, because I do love them, is that when I wear them, I'm like not styling them. I'm just putting them on and going out to go grocery shopping, to run errands, like, or just living my life at home and I want to feel a little bit cuter. I'll put these pants on. Summertime too, like you think these would be more of a summer pant, but I almost wear them more in the winter, because in the summer, if I'm like looking for that, I just wear an athletic short because it feels better to me. So I don't like obsess over how these are styled, and obviously they're so wrinkled. Not the vibe Elle magazine said to go for. I think that pairing them in just a very casual way is the only way I'm gonna feel comfortable in them. If I try to like really create an outfit, I'm just gonna be doing too much. Even like the loafers, I thought it'd be fun to do like a little sandwiching of a dark shoe and a dark top, but I think like if we're gonna do that, and a samba is just like the way to go. When I would wear like the men's PJ sets, I was always just a sneaker with them, whether I think it was like New Balances or Sambas. This is better already. Feels like I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. I'm just being a casual girl, but somehow I look cute. Debatable. And then I thought the red bag would be fun just with the red bottoms. It's not like the picture at all, but I would wear this outfit. I'd wear this outfit to a T because this is my everyday bag right now. If I'm leaving the house, this is how I'd leave the house. I don't think it looks horrible. I think it looks pretty cute. And I'm just not gonna wear like a baggy crisp button up because I won't. This is how the trend looks in my closet. Scents are so special to me, especially because they just transport me right back to the memory of when I was wearing them. I remember the exact perfume I wore in middle school. I remember the exact perfume I wore when I started dating my boyfriend, and I remember his exact cologne as well. And I even have a special perfume I wore just on my baby shower. I will literally like go into the mall if I don't have the scent anymore and smell these perfumes or colognes, and I just get taken right back to those feelings, those times. I wanted to say thank you so much to Scentbird for sponsoring this video. I have 4 perfumes from Scentbird right now. They come in these really easy, sleek, honestly nice to travel containers and sizes. 2 I've been wearing nonstop are Pistachio and Sunsets in Capri. I'll try and explain them. Pistachio obviously smells like nutty, but also super sweet. And then Sunsets in Capri is a like florally citrus smell. I am so into just like fruity summer smells right now. I'm so happy that it's summertime and getting warm outside that I just want to feel that 24/7 and sense that I'll be able to remember these times in my life. I love Scentbird because, like I said, I really like to have signature scents for moments or periods in my life. And with Scentbird, you don't have the risk of buying a giant perfume bottle you'll never get through. Your first month of Scentbird is only $8 a month, and then after that it's less than $17. This is perfect for fragrance lovers or also just newbies who don't really know where to start, like me. The selection on Scentbird is diverse, and you have the flexibility of trying fragrances for 30 days is basically what's in this little tube before committing to a full scent. Whether you like to switch up your scent like me or you're trying to find your signature scent, Scentbird is perfect. And if you really don't know where to start, Scentbird has a quiz so they can kind of give you some guidance based on what you like and where to start. There's even a Scentbird Academy masterclass, so if you want to learn more about perfume or enhance your senses, you can check that out. And like I said, their packaging is so tiny and easy to carry. I will always throw one of these in my bag on the go, depending what I'm wearing that day. If you guys are interested in trying Scentbird, you can use the link in the description box or scan the QR code on screen and use my code LANEY for 55% off Scentbird. Plus, you'll get free delivery and a free case, only $8. a steal. Let's get into the rest of the video. Next thing is something I styled in my last video. I don't know which will be up first, but they're calling it whiteout, which is just white on white, monochromatic white. I don't think that this is trendy either or groundbreaking. I think it's stylish, and I guess maybe it's trendy. I think it's a really good like outfit formula. So we can do an all white outfit. Easy is this set. I would get married in this. Let's style it. More me though. Add a pair of sneakers. I think even Onitsukas would be fun with this. Okay, wait, do they want me to do all white accessories? I don't want to do that. No, they didn't say that. Oh, no, they said it's super easy vibe to recreate from top to white sneakered toe. Okay, I'll do it. I was gonna do my Onitsukas. I thought that'd be fun. Purse needs to be white or cream like Ivory works when doing these kinds of formulas. And I hope you don't think it's cheating to do a set. I literally just showed this formula on my channel the other day. Okay, so this is me doing it how they told me to. I don't have a true white bag, so I'm gonna even count my basket bag as white because it's like cream, a neutral, and I didn't like how that ivory looked with it. Don't get me wrong. And I even like that we have a pop of green because these are my white sneakers. I don't have an all white pair of sneakers. Watch how fun this makes it. I like it better. I think that the red and the yellow go together because McDonald's and I'm hungry, but also because they're both like deep, rich tones of the color. But even like a butter yellow would go with this red. A lot goes with this red. Not a lot goes with this shoe. Like a navy would and this red does. But like, isn't that more fun? I say do white out, but then add pops of color for your accessories, and don't match your bag to your shoe. Coordinate your bag to your shoe. I would not put on red ballet flats with this red purse. That's cringe. Okay. Next trend is polo match. Preppy. Okay, so this is where they're incorporating the boat shoe. I think that this is basically the same trend twice. More polished than a t-shirt, not quite as prim as a button down. Polo's your go-to summer top. Summer friendly fibers, cotton, linen, and you'll be good to go. I don't have like a short sleeve polo like the one they're talking about. I have this one that feels a bit more like that first trend. It actually feels like both in one. It's like a crochet top. So this is what we're gonna use for the last trend. This might be one of my favorite outfits. It's so cute. Oh my God. So cute. I mean, this shirt is just like already so cute, so it's not hard to fumble it. But I really like it with just like all the colors and not relying on any like white or black or gray. We've got khaki, navy, yellow, and even the red bag. I'm telling you, like a red bag basically goes with everything. This is such a fun summer look. These are little, this is a skirt. So it's a skirt in the front, and then shorts in the back, and it feels very preppy, so it goes with the whole vibe of it. And I don't have boat shoes, and I don't think I'll get boat shoes, but I have loafers. And I think that that fills the void of boat shoes for me. I used to have them in brown also, and I'm so upset that I got rid of them. I should have kept both colors. Never get rid of your clothes. But like, this is so fun and stupid, and I love it. So thanks Elle Magazine for thinking of this outfit for me. And like, I'm normally one, if my belly button's showing, my belly button, but because it's like scalloped at the bottom, or it's not scalloped, it's like wiggly. This was a fun video. I can do this again for other articles, or I don't know, shopping your closet is a fun way to look at it. Obviously I see these clothes all the time, but now looking at them to fit a certain trend or style just makes you imagine things in a different way. Like, I've worn this top so many times before, but I've never styled it in a way. I style it more in a laney way, but I like that when shopping your closet, those two things like morph together. Stutter queen. Okay, that's it for this video though. Remember to check out Scentbird and use the link in my description box, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.